Hi guys and welcome back. My name is Shamsalali. Thank you for watching this. Today I'm going to show you a chest and arms workout. A simple and basic session, but also super effective. Definitely worth watching till the end. It's these type of workouts that have got me through lockdown and helped me make the progress that I have made. I've done 2 sets of just warm up. This is the most weight I've got that I can put on a bar in my home setup so far. This will be going up. I definitely think the hardest thing about training at home is having to undo all the weights and then to make up other dumbbells. That's what I have to do currently. In my new setup, we'll change the speed of how I will be going from one weight to another. Now I'm going to do incline dumbbell press. What I'm drinking through this session, I've got gold standard BCAAs. I tend to drink this or USN Power Punch or the BCAAs amino acids that they do. I go on taste and what I've used before in the past. I haven't started drinking creatine yet. I will when I start lifting heavier weights and either get back to the gym or have the heavier weights here. I also drink whey protein after training. Squeezing at the top as best as I can to really try and hit that chest. That is chest well and truly done. 4 sets of flat bench, 4 sets of incline dumbbell, and 4 sets of incline flies. Three simple exercises on chest, 3 simple exercises on biceps and triceps. Let's see how we're looking. So, bit of a chest pump still. I think all the blood's gone to my arms anyway. I'm absolutely struggling to even talk, but that's what I want to get out of these workouts. To do as many different variations as possible is key, and also to come in with a small plan in mind. Get it done fast, get it out of the way, at least you haven't missed a session. With the next few videos, I'm really excited. I've got new equipment coming. I've also got a camera coming and I'm going to be able to film these better for you. I really want to do as much as I can in order to give you the best quality of film and also to give you as much knowledge as I can to help you progress along the way. So thank you very much for watching this video and see you in the next one.